Good morning, welcome to CDV. Today will be the longest journey we've undertaken in our short-range i-miev about planning a recharging at a destination or having access to a known charger at the destination. Total distance today will be about 80 kilometres from Moorebank to Ameroo Park raceway in Sydney's north and return. Of course, we'll probably pass a few level 2 slow charges on the way, but I'm confident even with our very short range of about 90 kilometres, we'll manage the trip just fine. And we should make it with no problems at all.